Growing medicinal plants at home offers a sustainable and convenient way to access natural remedies for various health concerns. Whether you're looking to ease a headache, soothe a burn, or boost your immune system, having a homegrown pharmacy at your fingertips can be both empowering and cost-effective. Here's a guide to the top 20 medicinal plants you can cultivate in your garden or on your windowsill. Number 1. Aloe vera, scientifically known as Aloe barbadensis Miller, is renowned for its soothing properties. It is especially used for skin conditions like burns, cuts, and rashes. This succulent plant is easy to grow indoors, requiring minimal water and plenty of sunlight. Its gel can be applied directly to the skin to provide relief from sunburn or irritation. Number 2. Lavender, scientifically known as Lavandula angustifolia, is not only a beautiful addition to any garden but also a powerful medicinal plant. Its calming aroma can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and alleviate headaches. The flowers can be dried and used in teas, or the essential oil can be applied topically for stress relief. Number 3. Peppermint. Peppermint, scientifically known as Mentha piperita, is a versatile herb known for its digestive benefits. Growing peppermint at home ensures a fresh supply for teas, which can help relieve indigestion, nausea, and headaches. The menthol in peppermint also has a cooling effect, making it useful in balms for muscle pain. Number 4. Chamomile. Chamomile, scientifically known as Matricaria chamomilla, is a gentle herb that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. The dried flowers are commonly used to make a soothing tea that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Chamomile can be grown easily in pots or garden beds with plenty of sunlight. Number 5. Echinacea, coneflower. Echinacea, scientifically known as Echinacea purpurea, is famous for its immune-boosting properties. This hardy perennial is particularly beneficial during cold and flu season. The roots and flowers can be used to make teas or tinctures to help shorten the duration of a cold and boost overall immunity. Number 6. Calendula, pot marigold. Calendula, also known as Calendula officinalis, is a vibrant flower with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It's often used in creams and salves to heal cuts, scrapes, and minor burns. Calendula is also beneficial for soothing skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis. It thrives in sunny gardens and can be easily grown from seed. Number 7. Ginger. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is a popular medicinal plant known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It can be grown indoors or outdoors, and the root can be harvested to make teas, tinctures, or to be added fresh to meals. Ginger is particularly effective in relieving nausea, motion sickness, and joint pain. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is another powerful anti-inflammatory herb. The vibrant orange rhizome is used extensively in cooking and as a medicinal spice. Growing turmeric at home allows you to harvest fresh roots for teas, smoothies, or homemade turmeric paste, which is beneficial for joint pain, digestive health, and overall wellness. Number 9. Lemon balm. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a lemon-scented herb from the mint family that's known for its calming effects. It's excellent for reducing anxiety, promoting sleep, and easing digestive discomfort. Lemon balm is easy to grow in pots or in the garden, and its leaves can be used fresh or dried in teas and infusions. Number 10. Rosemary. Rosemary, scientifically known as Salvia rosmarinus, is a fragrant herb that's beneficial for memory and cognitive function. It's also used to relieve muscle pain, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. Rosemary can be grown indoors or outdoors and thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. Fresh or dried rosemary can be used in cooking or brewed into a tea. Number 11. Thyme. Thyme, scientifically known as Thymus vulgaris, is a potent herb with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's particularly effective in treating respiratory conditions like bronchitis and coughs. Growing thyme at home ensures a steady supply for culinary use as well as medicinal purposes. The leaves can be brewed into a tea or used in a steam inhalation to relieve congestion. Number 12. Sage. Sage, scientifically known as Salvia officinalis, is a powerful herb traditionally used to treat sore throats, coughs, and digestive issues. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Sage is easy to grow in the garden or in pots and can be harvested for teas, tinctures, or culinary uses. Number 13. Basil. Basil, scientifically known as Ocimum basilicum, is more than just a culinary herb. It has a variety of medicinal properties. It's known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. Basil can be grown indoors or outdoors and is particularly effective in teas or as a fresh addition to salads and dishes for improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Number 14. Oregano. Oregano, scientifically known as Originum vulgar, is a robust herb that's rich in antioxidants and has powerful antibacterial properties. It's often used to treat respiratory tract disorders, gastrointestinal issues, and skin conditions. Oregano can be grown in pots or garden beds and can be used fresh or dried in teas and tinctures. Number 15. St. John's wort. St. John's wort, scientifically known as Hypericum perforatum, is a well-known herb for its mood-boosting properties, often used to treat mild to moderate depression and anxiety. It's a hardy plant that grows well in sunny locations and can be used to make teas, tinctures, or oils. Number 16. Yarrow. Yarrow, scientifically known as Achillea millefolium, is a hardy perennial that's been used for centuries to treat wounds, reduce fevers, and improve digestion. Its leaves and flowers can be made into a tea or used in poultices for cuts and bruises. Yarrow is easy to grow in well-drained soil and can tolerate a variety of climates. Number 17. Dandelion. Dandelion, scientifically known as Taraxacum officinale, is often considered a weed, but it's packed with medicinal benefits. The roots and leaves are known for their detoxifying properties, particularly for liver and kidney health. Dandelion is also a natural diuretic and can be used in teas to support digestion and reduce bloating. Number 18. Comfrey. Comfrey, scientifically known as Symphytum officinale, is a powerful healing herb traditionally used to treat wounds, sprains, and broken bones. Its leaves contain allantoin, a compound that promotes the regeneration of skin cells. Comfrey grows well in moist, well-drained soil and can be used in salves, poultices, or as a compress. Number 19. Holy basil, Tulsi. Holy basil, scientifically known as Ocimum tenuiflorum, is revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body cope with stress. It's also used to boost the immune system and improve respiratory health. Holy basil is easy to grow in pots and can be used in teas or as an herbal supplement. Number 20. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, scientifically known as Trigonella phonum graecum, is an ancient herb with a variety of health benefits, particularly for digestive and metabolic health. The seeds are often used to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and balance blood sugar levels. Fenugreek can be grown in a sunny spot and the seeds can be harvested for use in cooking, teas, or as a supplement. Growing medicinal plants at home can be both rewarding and beneficial, but it requires some attention to detail. Here are a few tips to ensure your home garden thrives. Number 1. Sunlight. Most medicinal plants need plenty of sunlight, so choose a sunny spot in your garden or near a window if growing indoors. Number 2. Soil. Good quality, well-drained soil is essential for most herbs. Consider adding compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Number 3. Watering. Regular watering is important, but be careful not to overwater. Herbs like rosemary and sage prefer drier conditions, while others like peppermint and lemon balm need more moisture. Number 4. Pruning. Regular pruning helps keep your plants healthy and encourages new growth. It also ensures you have a steady supply of fresh leaves and flowers for medicinal use. Number 5. Harvesting. The best time to harvest medicinal plants is in the morning, after the dew has dried but before the heat of the day. This ensures the highest concentration of essential oils in the leaves and flowers. Cultivating your own medicinal plants not only provides you with fresh, organic ingredients for natural remedies but also connects you with the healing power of nature. With a little care and attention, you can grow a thriving garden that offers an abundance of health benefits right at your fingertips. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.